let's make candles. Today I'm using cedar Serica wax. I've got the wax cut up in small pieces, and I'm just going to proceed to weigh out the wax, melt it, and start making the candles. Today I'm going to make 24 candles with 6 different scents. So the vessels that I'm going to use for this project today will be the 8-ounce Makesy Black Gloss Aura vessels. And because I believe a wood wick just adds to the vibe of the candle, I'll be adding a crackling wood wick from Makesy as well. Oh, and I didn't mention that the wax that I'm using was purchased from Hive and Honey. I will link everything that I'm using down in the description. So now I'm simply going to add the pitcher of wax to the pot that I have here with boiling water that's sitting on top of a counter burner. So while my wax is melting and coming up to temp, I'm just going to start prepping my candle vessels. They've already been sanitized with rubbing alcohol. So I'm attaching my wood wicks to my wick clips, and then I'm going to attach my wick clips to my wick stickers. And I'm going to secure my wicks to the bottom of the vessels. My wax is fully melted. I'm going to carefully take my pitcher of wax out of the hot water and let it rest for a moment and prepare to take a temperature on this wax. Bringing the wax up to 200 degrees is very, very important. I allow my wax to cool down to 180, 175, and then I proceed to add my fragrance oil. So I have my first 6 vessels for my first scent, and I have my fragrance oil here. I'm adding my fragrance oil, and I'm going to give this a stir for a whole 2 minutes. And that's the process. And voila, my candles have completely solidified. I have my labels, I have my wick trimmer, and I am going to trim these wicks. So once all my wicks are trimmed, all my candles are labeled, I allow them to sit and cure for 7 days. After the 7 days, they go on the website. Previously, I've tested these 6 scents in the same vessels with the crackling wood wick. These candles have an amazing cold throw and a phenomenal hot throw. A beautifully scented candle in a beautiful vessel with a crackling wood wick, that's a vibe.